Makinen. This is Makinen Market, Makinen Post Office. It's a salt of the earth kind of place. And they take that salt and they put it in beef sticks they make here. I'll take one of these. So, Makinen, huh?
Makinen.
That's Italian, right?
Yeah, that's Italian, yeah. We actually get people that come in here, tourists that are here from Finland, by the name of Makinen.
Oh, sure.
Who will actually come here to use the post office so
Yeah.
they can get something postmarked Makinen.
Sure.
And they can send it home to their family Makinen back in Finland.
An ideal spot to stop, get a freeze pop, a nut goodie, some directions, and pretty soon you're back on the road to Grand Marais.